Muntinlupa Court has issued a gag order on actor Vic Soto amid his legal tussle with film director Daryl Yap. Now, the gag order prohibits all parties from publicly disclosing or discussing the case filed over the teaser of the rapists of Pepsi Paloma. Yap argued that public comments about the case could cause grave and irreparable damage to his artistic license. Recall that Soto filed 19 counts of cyber libel, citing malicious and defamatory statements in the film's teaser. The trailer of the movie went viral online after linking Soto to the alleged rape of late actress Pepsi Paloma.
Okay. So,
Pero
bawal
yung gag-
muna sila magsalita about
To talk
the
about
case
actually-
kasi it's a gag order.
Kasi ang ina-assume ata ni Director Dalyap, mapapalabas pa yung movie. So baka yung, ang tawag dito? Ang tawag mo sa...
Teaser, trailer.
Spoilers.
Oh, spoiler.
Iniiwasan yung spoiler. Pero parang medyong nakakapagtaka lang. It's because si Bossing naman hindi mo naman daldal eh. He's not saying a lot naman eh, di ba? So, gag order. Siguro in general, just to make sure na both parties are in order until ma-resolve tong issue. Oo,
Isa pa sa mga ini-issue kasi, 'di ba, sinabi din ni Vic Soto when he was interviewed, dun nag-file sila ng case. Wala naman daw nagtanong sa kanya, wala nag-consult.
Wala.
Sa other side of the fence, yung kampo nila filmmaker Daryl Yap, ni Direk Daryl Yap, sabi niya, nagpadala daw sila ng script kay Tito Soto. So, yung mga tao, so, of course, nagtatanong sila, bakit mo kay Tito Soto pinadala?
Oo.
Bakit hindi mismo kay
Bossing.
kay Vic Soto? So, isa yun sa mga...
But that case kasi, what that happened before...
Script, script.
Oo nga, what happened to all of the brothers. So I guess being the oldest brother and siya yung statesman, padala natin dito. Mag-uusap naman yung tatlo. Siguro yan ang akala
Pero ang
nila
tanong dyan, natanggap ba ni Senator
Sanang
Tito Soto?
receiving copy.
Oo, dapat
Yan ang
ganun. Kasi
hanapin
madali
natin.
din naman magsabi na
Pwede mo sabihin, pinadala ko sa mga pinadala. Pwedeng linapag lang sa pintuan
pwede
ng bahay
din
mong
yun.
ganun eh.
Pero yun, antayin na lang natin
Let's
yung
wait for the resolutions of this
pero
case.
before this, yung court din also granted yung
Writ of
request.
habeas data
Oo,
also.
so bawal na
Bawal
mag-share.
ka mga kapatid ha. Huwag mag-share na mga ganun.
Oo, kasi baka
Madadamay kayo.
makasama kayo sa kaso.
Oo.
Okay.